No, Akhilan, turn off your microphone, ma. Good morning to all. We will start now. Okay. Now it's written turn off your no webcam. You have to turn off your microphone, not webcam. Okay. Now we'll see what you're going to do now. Now you write today's date. Write today's date in a new page. I will tell you from first what you have to do. Take a new page in your English classwork, where you wrote two comprehension already. Okay, English classwork, grade 2 English classwork. 1908, don't write 2020 only, 19-08. Every page, whenever I ask you to write the date, you must write date. Yes. Yes. Now see, you just look at this. Don't worry about anything. Don't write name. Don't write may. Listen, comprehension, don't write. You have written the question first. Comprehension, read the story and answer the question. Please do not write. Take a new page, just a rough picture of the bird. You can write, okay? I'm sorry, you can draw. Full page, big bird. And the nest, you see, it's very easy to draw. And 3 eggs. Okay. That blue color is, it just roughly you draw now. Later, you can go to the recording and give color. Any color for the bird. A small sparrow, you just see. Draw a bird in a new page. A bird in a new page. I want to see. Okay, I just want to see. I want to see all.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Let me see who's this. Is it Mishti?
Naren, ma'am.
Naren. It's not page number. Where are you, Naren? You just take out your English classwork, Naren. English classwork note.
Yes, ma'am.
A new page. English classwork. Okay, Naren. Did you get the page now? A new page. And can you see the bird?
Yes, ma'am.
Sitting? Can you see the bird, nest and 3 eggs? Effie, can you see? Yes, Effie?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm not asking Effie alone. If I ask Effie, it's for everybody. Anyone I'll ask. Okay. Okay, present. Take a new page, and draw a bird. You're too small, so no problem. You can draw any one bird. Rough work. Afterwards, you can go to the recording and do it neatly. Arush, are you able to draw? Arush? Yes, look at the picture and draw slowly. Yes, Rimukilan, only draw the bird. Okay, Arush. Draw the bird. Come on. When you finish, you must raise your hand. Then only I will go to the next. 5 minutes enough. Slowly. Cyrus, did you draw the bird? No. Slowly do it. Big bird.
Ma'am, I'm drawing the bird,
Okay, good. Draw the bird. Big one, okay. One full page. Bird, nest, and the eggs. Coloring you can do later. Don't do coloring. Yes. You can just draw one branch and one nest on it and a bird. Slowly. I'll give you time. I want everybody to do it in class. Yes, Amanda. Do it. You must not erase too much, then the paper will tear. Okay, slowly do it. Roughly you do. Afterwards, you can make it fair like Good. Later. Now you can do roughly. Akilan, have you drawn the bird? Yes, you're doing it. Shaina. Do it, Shaina. Yes, you must do it fast. Then only we
Yes,
can do
ma'am.
the next one. Okay. Okay, now you
Okay,
got
ma'am.
an idea of the bird, nest, and the
Okay,
egg.
ma'am.
That you can continue later. Now see, children, now you can draw the bird later. Okay, now take a new page. You can do it later after class because now you know the picture. You can do it. Don't waste time. Now, take a new page, everybody. Take a new page. You have to write the story. Don't write again. Read the story and answer the questions now. You write the story in your notebook, leaving one line. I see a bird. Leave a line. I, capital I. Start, children. Don't write anything. Any date. Take a new page. Children, once again, you can do the fair drawing later. Leave that page for the bird, nest, and the egg. Take a new page. Capital I, C, S, E, E. C, A, B, I, R, D. Don't switch on your microphone. Disturbance. I see a bird. Full stop. Those who can write, you can write all the 4 sentences. How it is written on the screen here, just to see. But you can do cursive. Let me try. Let me see how you all are writing. Okay. 4 sentences. I slowly see a bird. Somebody is Arush. Turn off your microphone, Arush. Then write. I see a bird. Everybody finish first sentence. Only sentences, no questions there. Effie, read the second one, Effie.
She made a nest.
A nest. Now, please write. How many sentences have you written, Effie? Only one. You can write all the 4 sentences, leaving one line. Then it will be neat. Don't write any number. Yes, Mitra? Did you write the first sentence, Mitra? Yes, Mitra? Okay. Second,
Yes,
read the
ma'am.
first sentence. Read.
I see a
What is
bird.
the second sentence did you write? Mitra,
She made
did you write
a
she made a
nest.
nest?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Now write third sentence, okay? I will ask somebody else. Sri Mukilan, read third sentence. Did you write 1 and 2, first and second sentence? Sri Mukilan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Read third sentence, Sri Mukilan. Third.
The nest has 3 eggs.
Very good. Did you write that?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. The nest has 3. Let me see what is it, okay? I'll have to go back. Let me see. Yes. 1 minute. No. The nest has eggs. Please, Mukilan, turn off your phone. Your chance is over. The nest has eggs. Now, next sentence. I want Shashwata to read 4th sentence. Shashwata?
Do you,
No.
ma'am?
After the nest has X, read the next sentence. Fourth. I.
I see 3 eggs.
Very good. Did you write that? No.
Writing, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. You can write slowly. Thank you, Shashwata. Now, Shaina, read the fifth one, fifth question. What is it? That's a story. Do read.
She made a nest.
No. Listen to me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one. Do you
Do you see eggs?
Very good. Till there, you have to write now. I want to see, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody must write till do you see X. Come on. Everybody must write. Those who finish, you can just raise your hand. Do you see? Yeah. That's what. Good. Now don't do anything because I will ask you to do leaving on the next page, not now. I will wait for everybody to finish. Yes. Once it is shown, I'm seeing, keep your hands down. Those who finished writing 5 sentences, 4 sentences and 1 question over there, leave it. Nothing else to write. 3 other questions are there, 3 other questions. Don't write that. That should be written on a new page, not now. Yes, children. Mitra, you finished writing. Did you finish, Mitra? Did you finish all the 5? Mitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, listen. Where's John? John, did you write John? All must turn on your camera. John, no need. John.
Ma'am, writing the 4th one.
Please write fast, John. See, I'm not seeing you writing. That's what I want to see your book and your pencil now. Yes, right. Okay, please write. Writing the 4th one where? You're writing the 2nd one. Hurry up. John, hurry up, John. You don't ask anybody's help. You do it. Yes, you write. If you are slow, children, you'll have to go to the recording and do it because one is written one sentence, other all children 5. Okay, turn on your thing. Turn on your microphone, John. Now, Sia. Sorry. Oh, my God, 1 minute. Now, take a new page, everybody. See, these children, those who are slow, will not be able to do anything. Take a new page. Everybody, take a new page. Those who did not complete the story, you can do later. John, I'm talking to you. If you write the story now, you won't know what I'm going to tell you next. Story,
Okay.
you can write later. Take a new page. I will tell you, I'll guide you what you have to do. Once if you write, yeah, good, John. Now, write the first question. Number 1 in the margin. In a new page. Number 1 in the margin. What do you see? Question mark. What do you see? W-H-A-T. What? Oh, please turn off your microphone, everybody. What do you see? Please write W-H-A-T. Those who can write cursive can write. What do? D-O, do. You. Y-O-U-U. See. S-E-E. See. What do you see? The first question. Now don't write the answer. Can anyone? Anyone? Only one child must come first, okay? Tell me the answer for it.
I see a bird.
Now, Alan finished telling others should not. Listen now. All can see, no children. Alan finished telling the answer. Let us see whether it's correct, okay? I see a bird. Please write in the next line. Don't leave any line. First question, answer. I see a bird. Capital I, S-E-E, a bird. I see a bird. Now you cannot write slowly, you have to be fast. What do you see? That means you're not, if you don't play, you will be able to write. Hope all children would have taken the new page and you're listening to me. What do you see? Now 1 minute. Only that should be written. Yes. John, did you write the first question, John?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Read the question from your notebook.
What do you see?
Tell me the
I
answer.
see a bird.
Very good. See, when you listen to the teacher, you will be able to do better. The story. Kailina, 1 minute. Did you write the first question and answer? Something she's shaking now. I can't hear. No, ma'am. Okay. Those who are not writing fast, you can go back to the recording because otherwise all will be missing the class, okay? Because the children will get bored up. Now, leave a line. Everybody leave a line. Question, answer, leave a line. Yes. Now, Alan, show me your notebook, Alan. Let me see we are doing. Tridip. Yeah, very good. Tridip, show your notebook. Tridip, show me. I will check 1 or 2. Tridip, show your notebook. I can't see Tridip. See, he wrote all the questions. Show me. See now. I told you you have to wait. Okay. Never mind. Now, turn. Leave after first question and answer. Leave a line. Leave a line. Now see the next question. Leave a line. Number 2. After leaving a line. What is in the nest? What is... Now turn off your mic, please. What? W-H-A-T. Now, children, you must be knowing to read. I know that you will be able to read from the screen. What is in the nest? And you can see clearly. What? W-H-A-T-I-S is in the nest. See, children, some children are fast, no problem. But you have to read properly the question. You can write your own answer. It's not necessary you have to write ma'am's answer, but it should be correct. What is in the nest? Now, Naren, can you tell me the answer? Just tell what is in the nest. 1 word also, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
X. Now we will see how to write because it's full sentence. What is in the nest? You can write the nest has eggs, or there are eggs in the nest, but you have to write full sentence, okay? The nest has eggs. What is in the nest? Now eggs are, you must write, those who are writing eggs are in the nest, you must write are, not is, because plural. 3 eggs are there. Others can change and write the nest has eggs. What is in the nest? It has the nest. Pronoun of the nest is it. Has. The nest has eggs. Very good. Now I want somebody to read for me. Yes. Shamma. Shamma, please come on the screen. Shamma, read the second question and answer.
Yes,
Shamma,
ma'am.
please read Shamma. Second
What
question and answer.
is in the nest?
Hmm.
The nest has eggs.
See, Samantha, thank you, Shamma. Samantha, did you write Samantha? Samantha, did you write?
Yes.
Very good. Now
Yes,
we'll go to the third question. Don't tell the answer. Third question. Leave a line, number 3. Leave a line, number 3. How many eggs are there? Right. Those who can write fast, you can write, no problem. But the sentence should be correct because you have to answer in a sentence. How many eggs are there? If your hand is paining, you can just raise your hand. Just get up. Just turn around and come and sit, children, okay? Now, those who are not tired must not do all this. How many eggs are there? Capital H O W M A N Y E G G S eggs. Slowly. Are there? A R E T H E R E. Now I want Joshika, can you tell me how many eggs are there? Joshika?
3 eggs.
3 eggs. But you have to write properly, okay, in a sentence. There are 3 eggs in the nest. You have to write how many eggs are there. There are 3. Number 3 you can write or THREE. Usually when we write in English, we will write the spelling of it. Anyway, this is just comprehension for small children, no problem. There are THERE. There are 3 eggs. 3 eggs. EGGS. Eggs in the nest. IN. TH. You can write your own. There are 3 eggs. How many eggs are there? There are 3 eggs. Okay. In all can write your own answers. It's all general. Okay, whatever answer, the answer is there, ma'am will give mark. No problem. Okay. Now we'll go to the next page. Have you written, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll go to the next one. We'll go to the next year. Take a new page. Take a new page. Only write spring is here. How it's written here? You see the picture, children? One page, next page. Draw that picture. See the cloud at spring. You can draw one rainbow there, okay? You can draw because afterwards, you just keep in your mind a new page. You can draw rainbow. Just write the heading, rainbow. Okay, that's all. Okay. Just see the picture first. Now, all these you have to draw or just small picture. And the heading is spring is here. You just write in one page this. It's not necessary that according to you can draw one picture. Now, because some more pictures are, you just do the exact thing, no problem, children. That cloud and the lines around like a rainbow, you can do that in one page and the heading spring is here. One page. Okay, you may not be able to finish it. So slowly I'll tell you what you have to do. Now, yes, children, you can do it later, but write the heading and the drawing over there. Just two clouds and some lines around. If you draw freehand drawing, it won't come properly. You have to take one half circle and draw. Now, take another page. Okay, don't worry about the drawing. Slowly. Take another page. You don't write anything. Read the story, answer. Write the first sentence. Spring is here. Why I'm not giving importance for the first picture? Because all these pictures are here. Spring is here. Write that. Below that, you just draw the tree and the water and the grass, all that. Clouds. It's rain. See there? Some nice pictures. Spring. Now just 3 trees, some clouds. Then the grass, small grass. Later you can color all that. Just a rough drawing. Spring is here. Spring is here. After the first line, next 2 lines you take to draw this, okay? Rough drawing. Children, you can do it fast from the screen. First sentence, the drawing, 2 lines. Then the next sentence, draw the flower. 2 lines you can take. Because otherwise they'll be wasting time. Those who are slow, I will guide you. Spring is here. Did everyone draw and finish writing? Sorry, not drawing. Did everyone finish? Spring is here. See the picture and draw. You can do, children. First sentence, drawing. Next sentence, next 2 lines. Sachin, did you draw, Sachin? Sachin, did you?
I draw it, ma'am.
Which one you drew? First one. Never mind.
Yes,
did you write first line?
ma'am, now only I am writing, ma'am.
Right. First line. Next 2 lines, drawing. That small picture. First line, right? Yes, Kailina. First line. You can go back to the recording. I will send this to you. You can do it. No problem writing. Those who can write now, you can write. First sentence, the picture. Samantha, did you write the first sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Drawing you can do later. Okay. Now leave 2 lines to draw. Leave 2 lines to draw. First line, leave 2 lines to draw. Drawing you can do later, children. Now write second sentence. First sentence. Shaina, did you start writing?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, please write first sentence, Shaina. And 2 lines you leave for drawing. Leaving 2 lines, write all the sentences now, slowly. Those who are slow, don't worry about it. We'll send that comprehension to you. You can sit and watch the recording and you can do it slowly. But you have to write something in class. Don't depend on recording alone. If you don't have current, what will you do? Because you have to complete it by tomorrow. Afternoon, fully are free. Okay, Mitra, did you write second question, second sentence? Second sentence, did you write? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
After second sentence, did you write 2 lines for drawing? John?
Yes, ma'am.
How many sentences have you written? Thank you, Mitra. Tell me, read from your book.
Spring is here.
Then did you leave two
The
lines?
flowers.
Did you leave two lines to draw the picture? See, listen to the teacher, children. When I'm seeing you, you're just dreaming and sitting. After the first spring is here, leave two lines down to draw that picture there. Some picture is drawn next to that sentence. Again, right. Cyrus, show me your notebook, Cyrus. That's what I'm telling you to turn on your camera. Cyrus. Cyrus. See, Cyrus. Did you draw the picture? Show me. No. Cyrus.
Yes, ma'am.
Where I can, not that one. See, Cyrus, this is why I'm telling you. That is okay. Now, Cyrus, 1 minute. You have written. Okay, turn your page. Spring is here. After that, where is the picture? I'm telling you, write the first line. Spring is here. Leave two lines to write. Draw the picture. Or you can draw small pictures. There, Cyrus, below that. See, please look at the screen. Children, see. After spring is here, some trees are there. You have to draw that. Leave two lines to draw. Yes, children, we will send you this. You can do it. Okay, you can do it later. Now, please answer me. What season is here? What season is here?
Spring.
Very good. Yes. Spring is here. Spring. You can write only spring, no problem. Now, the flowers, very good. The flowers bloom. I picked 1 minute. 3 flowers. I picked 3 flowers. I love spring. What blooms? Anyone?
Flowers.
Very good. Flowers. Flowers. Okay. Very. Flowers bloom. Very good, children. Now you know the answer. You can go to the recording. We'll send you this and you can complete the work. Now you know what to do, but you have to write spring is here. Draw that picture down. 2 lines. Flowers bloom, 1 flower. Or 2 flowers you can draw down. Those who can draw by the side, you can do it. I picked 3 flowers. So 3 flowers in that girl's hand. That should be drawn after I pick 3 flowers. Next 2 lines. I love spring. Happy girl. See, that girl is very happy. She's standing. So all the pictures should be there after each sentence. Okay, children. Now, 1 minute. Now, 1 minute. You can leave the classroom, close your notebook. You can do it slowly, one by one. I finished telling you what you have to do. We'll send this to you. You can sit and write slowly. First sentence, 2 lines. Tridip, tell me what you have to do. First, write the sentence. Tridip, please tell me. First, write the sentence. How many lines you have to leave? 2.
2 lines.
To draw the picture. Okay. That's enough. After each line, 2 lines leave to to draw the picture. Now you can leave the class. Get ready for the next one. And prepare for EVS class with your classwork note. Okay. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.